In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson LQ-630 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google you want to search for Epson LQ-630 support. Best result, you come back with an epson.eu domain. This is Epson LQ630 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down underneath downloads, you want to select the driver download and then select the download button right underneath of that. Open up the file once it's done downloading. Go ahead and select yes. Select the setup button. And then you just would follow through with the on-screen steps of getting your printer configured to your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.